days that Fairfax County Public Schools begin later in the day. I'm a varsity cheerleader, and every day after school we have about 3.5 hours of practice. Getting out at 2 o'clock in the afternoon guarantees that I'm home by about 6 o'clock at night, which I then have hours of homework because of the many AP classes that I take. If the start time is changed, then students like myself, who after club meetings and sports practices, we wouldn't get home until about 8 o'clock at night. And I personally find this completely unacceptable. What are your thoughts on that?
I mean, I absolutely agree with you. What's your name again?
Katie.
Katie, I absolutely agree with you. That's not acceptable to me either. School board has not made a decision on the sleep issue yet. We are still going through these public meetings, even tonight. First meeting started yesterday, and I went to Oakview Elementary School. There were hundreds of parents and students participating in the community community dialogue, and we heard from a lot of parents about how that's going to negatively affect after-school activities and daycare and job situation and others. And we've been receiving hundreds and hundreds of emails from parents and students and teachers and others. And we have a work session to discuss about this particularly on March the 9th, whether the school board will make a final decision on that day. At this point is very questionable. But I know exactly what you are saying. I mean, my son, even though his high school career is over, was on the basketball team. He's tackled for 4 years. And how that's going to affect, that could have affected even worse of his basketball practice and time and game times and etc. So I exactly understand what you are saying.